Okay, I made it over to Joann's because I heard that they're having a huge sale. So, let's go take a look and see what I can find inside this store. Look at this. 70% off florals. And these are not just any florals. There are tons of them. Look at all down this row. Well, maybe not that side, but this side. It's all 70% off. I am amazed. Look. These are beautiful. I need some of these. I like these because you can put them at the end of the table behind your display and just give it some greenery. They're pretty. So like this one is, or even this one, but let's see, they are, this one, this red one is $19.99, so 70% off is going to be $5.99. That is amazing. Look at how long this one is. And then this one's an even better deal. This one is $16.99. Oh, it's not on my list, but I'm thinking it's going to be like $5. Wow. I love it. There's so many to pick from. Ooh, this one's pretty. I like the pinks and the whites. Okay. And it's got some bigger flowers as well. That is real pretty. Oh, look at the daisies. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to turn you off so I can go shopping for my 70% off. Oh, look at all these stickers. 30% off. Wow. And lettering, of course. Let's go check out the Cricut stuff. Who's here? I busted you.
No, don't show how much I spent.
Okay, I won't look at your cart.
It's pretty nice though. You want to come around and see what I got over here?
No, you'll probably want to do a shopping haul, don't you?
Okay, yes we will.
So, Mom found out about the 70% off as well, and so she rushed over here.
Yep, and as you can see, well, you can't see yet, but there is a full cart.
It's a full cart, and we'll show you in another video. All right.